Like me, why can't you see me? Look at the way I look. Did I put on anything short? You say you are not a sinner. Look at the way you are making yourself a righteous. Do you think you're a righteous girl?
Yes.
You are not righteous. You are a sinner, and you have to receive your deliverance now. Neither, let me pray for you. I said, neither, let me pray for you.
No.
Neither, my friend, let me pray for you. You
No.
must. You.
Madam, take it easy, please. You won't win. You want to destroy my stomach, please. I don't need it. Let's focus on this word of God. And if you don't know Christ this night, you don't know it again. Let me tell you something. Listen. Bible says, look at what you're putting on. As a child of God, you don't need to put on anything. What is this thing called?
Pants.
Pants. It's not for men. Look at what you're supposed to be putting on. Gown, long gown. Like a child of God, you said you are. You claim that long gown. Why you put on pants? You call it pants, we call it trouser.
They're comfortable.
It's comfortable. How? You are seducing everybody here.
I
You
don't
seduce men
have to.
alone.
I don't have to worry
You
about
have to-
showing my underwear.
You have to put on gown like me. Look at the way. Look at how my guy is.
Look, if it blows up.
How can someone put it up? Can someone put this in
The
up?
wind can blow it up.
How can wind blow this in up? A child of God. You're laughing. I'm talking. I'm preaching to you. You're laughing. You think I'm playing? No. You think I'm playing? And your daughter. Look at your daughter. Look at what she's putting on. Deception.
You can't see nothing.
Attracting men.
can see
Madam, don't stop.
You can
Madam,
see
why are you opening my gun?
because you can see your legs.
Madam,
Just
I
like
say Holy
that.
Ghost fire. You cannot open. Why are you opening my gun? Why are you opening it?
There's nothing, no difference
Madam, please
in
listen.
that.
Listen
and
listen
our
very
pants
carefully.
and
Listen very
shorts.
carefully. If you want to make heaven, go and remove this now.
I
Before I
don't
start.
think Jesus cares what
I
I
s-
wear.
I said if you want to make heaven,
I'm
go
not
and remove.
showing anything. I don't have all that makeup on that you do, and a
Look-
big old gold earrings,
Look at
all that kind of
look
stuff,
at-
and they're expensive.
oh, is that what it look like? My golden earring.
So if what's wrong with my pants? If you can wear those big old gold
This is
earrings.
earring. Every woman need to put on earring. It signifies woman. I'm not judging you on your earring. I judge you on your pants. You don't need to put on this. You don't need to put on this.
My pants cover everything that needs
How
to
can
be
your pants
covered.
cover everything? If a
It
man can wear
covers
pants, a
anything
woman.
that needs to
Oh
be
my
covered.
goodness, that is a problem in this country. Is that how you guys used to do hair?
Yes.
That is your pattern
Yes.
of behavior?
Yes.
Putting on pants?
Yes.
You can't put on gown like me?
No.
Oh.
Who wants to wear
shit.
that uncomfortable
Look,
stuff?
no. It's not a matter of comfortable. It's a matter of attraction. You are attracting men there.
You want to attract men?
Okay, you believe what your mom is saying? You accept what your mother is saying?
Yeah.
So, level, right? You are behaving the way she's behaving?
Yeah.
Putting on pants?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, this is crazy. This America is crazy. Is that how you guys raise your children?
What is wrong with pants?
Listen,
Just tell me what's wrong with
let me tell you, as a child of God, you don't need to God judge you by the way you dress.
Well, look at the way you're dressed.
How am I dressing?
Your makeup and your earrings
How did
and
I-
your
how did I-
hat.
did I
and
make up?
just
Did I-
think you look. Oh,
Did
wow.
I make up? Did I
Yes,
make up? I
yes,
don't make up. I only
See, look at there.
look at
Look at there, how
abusing. Look at
foolish.
look
Look
at
at there,
you
how
see how
foolish
abused
that looks.
you see how abused these guys are
Yes.
doing here. So
Yes.
that's how you
Look
guys
at there.
behave here. You don't even have a respect. You don't have respect, right? You take off my cap and oh my goodness,
You
I'm
don't
sorry, I
have
don't even
respect
know what
for
to do.
us. You're making fun of our pants and our shorts.
I'm making
I mean,
fun of your
why
pants.
shouldn't we?
Well, let me
Why should we have respect
Okay,
for you?
let me tell you something. Let me tell you something about this. Anyways, God don't judge by what you put on. They don't judge you by what
So
you put
what you making
No,
fun of my
no,
pants
no.
for?
As a child of God, you don't need to put on pants.
Who said?
Put on, says by the Father, by my Father in heaven.
That's in your Bible?
Yes.
Show me in your
I should
Bible.
show you my Bible.
Show me. Show me. It says thou shalt not wear pants.
Yes.
I've never read that in my Bible.
You should not wear pants. You should not wear
And thou
pants
shalt
and
not
pants.
wear shorts. I reckon it says thou shalt not wear glasses.
Yeah.
Thou shalt not wear. Thou
Yes.
shalt not wear
Yeah.
rings. Thou shalt not wear what else?
Big earrings.
Yeah.
Anyway, maybe it's not in this Bible. Maybe it's in another Bible.
Oh, you got another Bible.
Yeah, it's not in
Yeah,
this Bible.
yeah, that says it all.
I'm
Not in my Bible, it don't say that.
Yeah, it's not in this Bible. Let me tell you something, please. I want us to make heaven. I don't want anything to prevent you from making heaven. If this thing can cause, the Bible said, if whatever that causes you to make hell, then you cut it off. If your hand can make you to enter hell, cut it off. If this pants can make you to go to hell, take it off.
I'm not worried about my pants.
No. I must tell you the truth because I'm
I'm
an
not worried about
evangelist
my
of God.
pants.
You don't worry about your pants. Okay, there's no problem about it. Anyways, God don't care about that. Don't. It's okay. But you need to advise your daughter. You need to advise your daughter. Your daughter don't need to behave the way you're behaving. Look at you.
There's nothing wrong with what she does.
There's nothing. And there's nothing wrong with you. Nothing wrong with you. Go to Riba. Suppose the quality of what can you call the damage of no way. Okay, no problem.
Did you just cuss us?
What do you mean by cuss? I'm just speaking my language. I
did
speak
you-
my language.
Did you cuss us in your language?
No, I can never
Did you
cuss.
say something
I don't
bad
say.
about us in your language?
I can never say
I think
anything.
you did, don't you? Don't you think
Yes,
you said something
something
bad?
bad
No.
in your
I
language.
don't do that
I
stuff.
do.
I don't do that stuff, okay? I don't do that stuff. It's not in my culture. We don't curse anyone. You know, we just speak the word of God and in this race. Yes, yeah. But or you say it. Or you say it. Jiggy them, say jiggy them. Wait, no, wait. Say jiggy them, say jiggy them, say it.
Jiggy down.
Onye wem Jesus,
On your
jiggy
way,
them,
jiggy down,
On there
Jesus.
with Jesus.
jiggy
them.
them. Okay,
On your way,
let's
Jesus,
start from
jiggy down.
jiggy them. Onye wem Jesus, jiggy them.
On your way, Jesus. Jiggy
But again,
down,
Osogi,
jiggy down.
Osogi, Kamnaba. But say Osogi, Kamnaba. I am running the race. That's the meaning. Osogi, Kamnaba. Okay, now. Yemike,
Yemike,
Kanji Meriwa. Riwa Owanka Nyemike Ogenine Nyemike. Say it.
Yemike,
Ogenine
Organic.
Come Harila. Okay, you might like back school. You are at back school. At back school, student back. Inyo. So, inyo, say. See inyo. Okay.